Hello, my name's Anna. I'm a conservationist and a photographer. Today I would like to tell you a bit more about hawkmoths. Hawkmoths are named because of their size and agility in flight. The best way to see hawkmoths is by using a moth trap to capture, identify and release them. There are many nature organisations that run events where you can help with moth trapping. Otherwise you can just set one up in your own garden. Summertime is the best time of year to see adult hawkmoths when the weather is warmer. They can be found in various habitats, including parks, gardens and woodlands. Hawkmoths have a 4-stage life cycle: the egg, caterpillar, pupa and adult. The eggs are laid on the host plant, which varies according to species. Once the caterpillar is grown, it turns into a pupa, overwintering in the soil. This is a cocoon of a pupa from an eyed hawkmoth that has just emerged. Having flowers in your garden is a really great way to attract adults and provide them with nectar sources. However, hawkmoth caterpillars rely on specific native plant species for food. For example, the eyed hawkmoth relies on willows and apple trees as a food source for its caterpillars. The privet hawkmoth is the UK's largest resident hawkmoth, with a wingspan of up to 12 centimetres. Caterpillar food plants include privet, ash and holly. Perhaps the most striking of hawkmoths, with its pink and gold colours, is the elephant hawkmoth. It's found in a variety of habitats, especially where rosebay willow herb is. The pine hawkmoth, as the name suggests, relies on pine trees for its food plants as a caterpillar. The hummingbird hawkmoth is a day-flying hawkmoth. It is often considered a migrant from southern Europe. However, it is increasingly becoming a resident, overwintering as a pupa. It is most often seen flying a bit like a hummingbird as it collects nectar from flowers. Despite their diversity and beauty, moths, including hawkmoths, are overlooked by people because they often fly at night. However, these nocturnal pollinators are vital for ecosystems and are food for many bats and birds. I hope this video has inspired you to look out for hawkmoths and also create habitat for them.